Hello students, welcome to my channel English Classes with Rashmi Rajput. Today we are going to discuss the first lesson of the book Footprints, Class 10. A Triumph of Surgery written by an eminent writer, James Herriot, who is also the narrator of this story. This short yet interesting story revolves around the theme parenting. And while discussing this story, we will try to find out that whether pampering a child is good or bad. So let's begin with it. This story has three main characters and two supporting characters. The first two characters are Mrs. Pumphrey and her dog Tricky. Next is Dr. James Herriot, who is a veterinary doctor and the narrator of this story. Hodgson is Mrs. Pumphrey's gardener and Tristan is a helper at Dr. Herriot's clinic. Mrs. Pumphrey loved her dog Tricky very much, and she had made his life very easy for him. She was over pampering and over indulgent with her dog Tricky. One day, Dr. Herriot was driving his car when he saw Tricky, the dog, with his owner, Mrs. Pumphrey. Dr. Herriot was extremely worried to look at Tricky. He had become hugely fat. His eyes were bloodshot and rheumy. His tongue lolled out from his jaws. He went to Mrs. Pumphrey and asked her about Tricky's health. She explained that her dog is suffering from malnutrition, as he seemed to have no energy, and therefore she had been giving Tricky extra meals, including malt and cod liver oil, a bowl of Horlicks at night, his favorite cream cakes and chocolates. James Herriot looked at the little fat dog and understood that Tricky's only fault was his greed. Dr. Herriot warned Mrs. Pumphrey and said, "Now I really mean this. If you don't cut his food right down and give him more exercise, he is going to be really ill. You must keep him on a very strict diet." While driving back, Dr. Herriot remembered the luxuries Tricky used to enjoy. He had different set of tweed woolen coats and raincoats for different seasons. The little dog was surely over-pampered. Within a few days, Dr. Herriot received the expected call from Mrs. Pumphrey. She was in panic as she said Tricky would eat nothing. He refused even his favorite dishes. Besides, he had bout of vomiting. He spent all his time lying on rug, panting, didn't want to go for walks, didn't want to do anything. Dr. Herriot advised her to hospitalize Tricky for about a fortnight, to be kept under observation. Mrs. Pumphrey sent Tricky's day bed, night bed, his favorite cushions, toys, blankets, breakfast, lunch, and supper bowl, and what not. And as soon as Tricky reached Dr. Herriot's surgery, all other dogs looked at Tricky as an uninteresting object. Dr. Herriot kept Tricky in a warm, loose box and made a bed for him in it, next to where other dogs used to sleep. Dr. Herriot kept an eye on Tricky for 2 days. He gave him no food but plenty of water. After 2 days, Tricky was allowed to eat with other dogs. When Tristan used to serve food to dogs, all the dogs used to rush towards the food. When they had finished, Tricky took a walk round the shining bowls, licking casually inside one or two of them. Soon Tricky started recovering, and he started taking interest in his surrounding. He used to run and do plenty of exercise. On the other side, Mrs. Pumphrey was not able to cope up with the pain of separation from her dog Tricky. She had a telephonic conversation with Dr. Herriot, and he informed her that Tricky is convalescing, which means that he is recovering. Listening to this, Mrs. Pumphrey decided to send eggs, bottles of wine, and brandy for her dog Tricky. The doctor and his colleague had good days. They started their day with an extra egg, drank wine with their lunch, and the brandy was drunk at night. It was a temptation to keep Tricky as a permanent guest. But the doctor knew that Mrs. Pumphrey was suffering. Thus, He called her to inform that the dog had recovered and she might collect him. Within minutes, Mrs. Pumphrey arrived at surgery in her car. When Tricky saw his mistress, he came running towards her. Mrs. Pumphrey was amazed to see Tricky turned into a lithe, hard muscled animal just in 2 weeks. As the car moved away, Mrs. Pumphrey cried happily, "Oh, Mr. Harriet, how can I even thank you? This is a triumph of surgery." The last comment of Mrs. Pumphrey was ironical in the story. As when Mrs. Pumphrey saw Tricky, all playful and fit, she believed that it was a triumph of surgery, whereas it actually was the triumph of Doctor's goodwill, his presence of mind, his love for dogs, and his dedication. The story also conveys a thoughtful message to not to spoil anyone by giving too many things. Every child should be given a simple life because an over pampered child is always a spoiled child. And if you continue pampering, you are bound to cry seeing the effects of over pampering. And that's all about this story, A Triumph of Surgery. I hope you find this video fruitful. Thank you for watching it.